हेलो फ्रेंड्स, दिस इज़ माय फर्स्ट वीडियो ऑन यूट्यूब चैनल। आई विश ये आप लोग को अच्छा लगेगा और इसका आप लोग ट्रांसक्राइब ज़रूर कीजिए और मुझे कमेंट करके ज़रूर बताइए कैसा है। सो रेडी, 1 2 3 स्टार्ट। सर, there is also the very big responsibility of the foreign trade to meet the minimum requirements of the country, especially requirements of essential goods of mass consumption, which may be in short supply from time to time. To save our people from the evil effects of profiteering when such a situation arises. In this, the strategy you have adopted is, as my distinguished friend has pointed out, merely to rely on one single agency, and the single agency seems to be getting bigger and bigger every day, a giant who is becoming more and more inefficient now. I would like to say a few words about the direction of our trade in times to come in the foreseeable future. About Russia, USA, EEC countries, and Japan will continue to be our major partners in foreign trade. There is no doubt in my mind, but surely we should aim at our neighboring countries. I would, in this connection, draw the attention of the Comments Minister to the fact that our trade with every single neighboring country in South Asia has declined. This is a sad commentary. It is a bad state of affairs. It is not a good augury for the future we envisage for this zone. I would like the Comments Minister to plan steadily in a manner so that we would not compete against Bangladesh or any our immediate neighboring countries such as Sri Lanka. Together, we should develop a strategy of going alone with them. We should build up such capacities so that there is more exchange of goods between our country and our neighboring countries. Para. Export subsidy has been mentioned. I find that in a few years' time, from a paltry sum of rupees 35 crores, the subsidy has come to over 600 crores.